In March of 2002, my sister Sara passed away giving birth to her first child, Jackson. And so as a result of that delivery, Jackson was without oxygen and had a brain injury and was later diagnosed with cerebral palsy. So we were told by the medical community there was nothing that could be done for him, and that we were given a list of all the things he would never do, and we just said there's got to be more than that. Jackson was 13 months old when he first started receiving hyperbaric oxygen therapy, and we immediately saw benefits where he was falling off the developmental chart and not eating, and doctors were predicting that he was going to need to have a feeding tube put in. He started eating 2 meals at a sitting and started going off the developmental chart. So we started seeing benefits immediately. When we first started, we were treating only little children with cerebral palsy because that's the research we had done, and that's why we wanted to open up. And so when we first treated, it was mainly families here from Northwest Ohio with children with cerebral palsy. But as we were in operation longer, we started treating families from all over the country. And not just cerebral palsy, so countless conditions now, anything from autism, cerebral palsy, stroke, migraine, seizure, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, Lyme disease, cancer, arthritis, sports injuries, pre- and post-surgical healing. And we treat anybody from infants, a couple weeks old, all the way up to 99-year-old people, and every age in between. So yeah, we have, just this past summer, we had families here from Oregon, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Virginia, Maryland. Families are typically finding out about us after they've been told there's nothing else that could be done, and so they go out and start researching on the internet, and that's when they typically find out about us. It's very rewarding. Wouldn't trade it for the world. It's amazing to see the families come in and see the changes that take place in them in the time that they're here. And somebody that comes in on a stretcher, a wheelchair, and is walking out of here a month, 2 months later, it's pretty awesome feeling. And to see the joy and hope on the families' faces is just priceless.